Dear students, today in this session we are going to discuss the annotations and short questions based on the poem We Are the TSB Banking Directors written by Daryl Ashton. In the previous sessions, as we have already seen the introduction to Daryl Ashton, analysis of the poem, now answering the annotation and short questions would be much easier. So we will start with the annotation. Now in the annotation part, whenever the lines from the poem are given to you, when you answer that question, you need to start your answer with the name of the poem and the name of the poet. Now annotation is for 5 marks. Out of 5 marks, 2 marks will be allotted to the correct identification of the poem and the poet. Now after giving the correct names of the poem and the poet, you need to give the analysis of the lines which you are supposed to annotate. Now when you are giving the explanation of the lines, you are supposed to say who said, to whom, and what is the context of the lines and the meaning of the lines. In Kannada we call annotation as Sandarbha Sahita Vivarisi, where you are going to explain the lines contextually. Now here the example is already seen in the textbook. Now the same example, if you can see here and see the answer, let me explain how the answer is given. Now these lines, nothing now is British, oh what a shame, but we have all made a killing, it is the name of the game. Now to annotate these lines, your answer starts this way. These lines are from We Are the TSB Banking Directors written by Daryl Ashton. So the identification of the poem and the poet becomes important, and that should be the beginning of the answer. Now to continue, the lines reflect the central idea of the poem, which is profit making made a killing, which is the name of the game. This is a postmodern phenomenon. So the poet here is trying to express a sense of loss and shame when some banks owned by UK were sold to the Spanish and other foreign entities. So the above lines draw attention to the selfish attitude of the British bankers. So this is how you are supposed to annotate. You are not supposed to give too much of explanation. Be up to the point. Who said these lines? What is the intention of the speaker, and what is the context of these lines and the meaning of these lines to be specified. Now moving on to the questions with short answers with a word or a phrase or a sentence. Now the questions are there in the textbook. Now this is how you are supposed to answer. Now when you are answering the short questions and answer, you are not going to exceed one sentence for every question. Now short questions answers, this is the section which you can see in the beginning of the university exam question paper. So this will be taken from the entire textbook. So your answer should be very precise. It is for 1 mark. So you are not supposed to describe too much when you are answering these questions. So the first question, to whom was the TSB sold? Answer is the Spanish. The second one, who is the speaker of the poem? Answer is the bank employees. Now third one, what does the line "we are rich because of you" refer to? Now the bank employees have grown rich by taking bribes taken by the rich customers. So the "you" in the line means rich customers here. So this is how you answer the questions. It should be either one sentence or one phrase or a word. Now the next question, comment on the tone of the poem. That means to say what is the tone of the poem. So it is satirical. What is the meaning of the word phony in the context of the poem? So phony here means fraudulent. So you can see one word answer for these questions. In the previous questions you had seen one phrase or one sentence as the answers. Now the next question, what do you think, who do you think benefited from the sale of the bank? Now the answer is the directors of the bank and the other employees. So these were the ones who were benefited from the sale of the bank. So even if you don't give the complete sentence, if you just give the answer, that is more than enough for these questions. So this is how you need to answer the questions with a word or a phrase or a sentence. I hope this guidance is sufficient enough to answer annotation and short questions and answers. And in the next session, we are going to meet with the discussion on language components based on the same poem. Thank you very much.